to verify Instagram business account. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily verify your Instagram business account. So to get started, go ahead and open Instagram into your mobile device. And then once you're on Instagram, go ahead and sign into your business account. Head over into your profile. So click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and that will take you to your profile. Now on your profile, go ahead and click on this burger icon at the top right, and then in here, go ahead and click on Meta Verified. So Meta Verified is the only way for you to verify your Instagram business account. So you need to avail the Meta Verified business plan to be able to verify your Instagram business account. So go ahead and scroll up and look for Meta Verified. Once you click on it, you'll get redirected to all of the available plans on Meta that you can avail to verify your Instagram account. Avail the Meta Business Plus, and that will allow you to verify your Instagram business account. And that is how you can basically verify Instagram business account.